Happy Thursday. It is hot out here. It is hot. It's a wonderful hot day. Forehead sweating. But it's good. It's good to have the heat back. Spring is on the way. Got Chick-fil-A. I got the Smokehouse BBQ sandwich. Didn't make no edits to it. I usually like crispy, but I got it grilled. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They put a lot of barbecue sauce on it. Like that, yeah. Cause some I've seen on here very dry, but Chick-fil-A always does me right. That's why I love them. That's why they're top tier. So let's take a bite.
Big bites.
Really good. Really good. I'm a big fan of the green leaf lettuce. Not big on the wedge lettuce type of guy. I'm not a wedge type of guy, but that green leaf. Love the Colby-Jack cheese. A lot of barbecue sauce on here. And then the chicken itself is good. Like I said, it's very, very juicy. You know, like with a lot of fast food restaurants, it's normally dry, a lot of grilled chicken, but this one, it's on point. They did a good job with making sure we're putting enough barbecue sauce on this. And the bacon's good too. Bacon's real good. Real good. No sweet tea today, getting water. Water's a lot better. No. This is really good. I mean, it's Chick-fil-A. I mean, I wouldn't expect less. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Really, really good. Highly recommend it. Make sure they put enough sauce on it. I mean, there's a lot of barbecue sauce. Like I said, love everything about the sandwich. 9 out of 10. I'm about to roll these windows back down because it's hot. I'll see you next time.